Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this 2006 Mercury Mountaineer. If this video is helpful, can you smash the thumbs up button and leave a comment down below? Helps out a lot. First thing we're going to do is pop the hood. Next thing we're going to do is use an 8mm socket to take and loosen these bolts up so we can take the terminals off. Now we've got these loosened, so we can just wiggle and pull those off like that. Now what we're going to do is take that bolt out and lift that plastic piece in there that holds the battery tight and pull that right out. Alright, we've got that loosened, so we can just reach down in there and pull this right out like that. Set that off to the side. Now we can pull this battery cover off like that. And now we can pick this battery right up and pull it out. And you are set to put your new one back in. Just put your new one back in the way you took your old one out. Reconnect your positive terminal and then your negative terminal. And that's about all there is to it. If this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. And thank you for watching.